Hi everyone, welcome back to this reel or shorts. I don't know where on which platform I'm gonna post this, but I'm very happy today. I was waiting for the something and it has arrived. And first thing I'm happy because मैंने मेरे बाल खुद काटे हैं. You can see this. I know I have skills. तो because यहाँ पे whenever you go out और अपने बाल काटने जाओ तो ये लोग अच्छे से नहीं काटते. तो मैं इंडिया से काट के आई थी from on December, and after coming here I have not chopped my hair, and I always like to trim my hair every 3 or 4 months, and it's not possible here. So you can see I have done this at home, both the sides, and yeah, I know I have skills. US आने के बाद job लगना and then पढ़ाई करना, ये सब secondary thing हो जाता है. I have literally became a cook here. I have became a skincare specialist here. Like, not a specialist, but I have become a pro here in skincare. And then I can do my own eyebrows, which you know. And now I even know how to cut my hair. And I also know how to color my hair, because यहाँ पे आके it's not about money and it's not about expenses, but it's also about ये लोग को नहीं आता है करने के लिए. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. And I have seen people going cutting their hair. I have seen people doing their wax done, or even get threading, or even get facials and everything, and they came back disappointed, and I don't want to do that to my body and to my skin. Okay, let's the main reason why I'm shooting this video today, because do you know Forever 21 is closing, I think globally, and I got 2 beautiful ड्रेसेस फ्रॉम फॉरएवर 21 और मैंने वो ऑलरेडी पहन के देख लिए हैं, बिकॉज योर गर्ल कांट स्टॉप, बिकॉज उसमें इतना वेटिंग पेशेंस नहीं है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस आई हैव गॉट. एंड सेकेंड ड्रेस यू कैन सी ये उल्टा है, बट क्योंकि मैंने उसको पहना है, एंड आई एम नॉट गोना लाई, और आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम दैट ब्यूटीफुल लाइक पीपल जो पहन के देखते हैं और फिर दे आर लाइक अनबॉक्सिंग हॉल, वो मैं नहीं करती. बट this is the second thing I've got. I'm not shooting for this, I'm shooting for something else. Why I'm shooting this video, as you all know from so long, I wanted to be a YouTuber. I wanted to be on social media talking about stuff, and about my educational brand, and also about my fashion brand, and also about how I'm surviving here in US for a longer time, or ye sab cheeze, jobs and everything I wanted to talk about. And that's the reason I took this big ass private room in JView, and where you cannot afford this thing, and I'm spending lakhs and lakhs on that. And abhi April aa chuka hai, and I have realized कि मैंने मेरे 2025 के 3 महीने बर्बाद कर दिए हैं. I have not even posted any YouTube video. I have not posted any my co-op journey video. And जो भी चीज़ें अभी recently Trump कर रहा है. And to shoot the video, what do you need? You need lights. And I have got most amazing lights. So there is also a light. It's a ring light जहाँ पे मैं अभी shoot कर रही हूँ. And I was not happy with that. So I got something else. And that's the box. So I'm gonna unbox this in front of you guys and let me see कि वो कैसे आया है. And I just hope कि वो अच्छा हो, because I have spent a lot of money on that. And I am someone जो पहले content create करके फिर उस पर पैसा बना के and then चीज़ें लेने का, this all things I don't do. मुझे पहले से ही perfect चीज़ें चाहिए होती हैं, and if I am able to buy, I am definitely gonna buy that. And now let's see. I have this table with me, which I got from Walmart, and it's just for $9. You can definitely get it for yourself. It's a good table for eating and also doing some YouTube stuff. अब मैं उसके ऊपर ये box रखूँगी, and I'm going to unbox this, and I hope जो मैंने order किया है वो अच्छा हो. I can already see it. That's the lights. I bought a knife जो मैं हमेशा मेरे रूम में रखती हूँ, because मेरे parcels आते रहते हैं. Oh, This has good handling thing also. Oh, इसको knife की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. It's already there to open. नहीं ज़रूरत है because my nails are short. Okay. So it's a set of 2 lights, and now I don't remember the price, but बहुत सारे लोगों ने इसकी बहुत अच्छी रिव्यू डाली थी, and they were able to shoot a lot of content from this beautiful lights. These are those 2 lights. By the way, it's from brand Nice Vedi or Vidhi. I don't know how to pronounce. Nice Vidhi or Vedi, I don't know. And इसके साथ आया है एक pamphlet, and it's all rules and regulations written on it. And then a beautiful bag, because I can carry it in this bag. And then a box. Okay. And I just hope कि मैं इसको use करूँ regularly, इतना पैसा बर्बाद करके. Okay. These are the USB ports. Not USB ports. I don't know इसको क्या बोलते हैं, जो ऐसे घुसाते हैं. And then these are camera holders, and उन्होंने 2 दिए हैं because of course 2 lights. It was in this box, and these are 2 stars. And I'll just try to start putting this, like assembling this. So it's same, जो भी मेरे पास लाइट है उसके भी स्टैंड ऐसे ही है, और जो इंडिया में भी मेरे पास लाइट था उसकी भी स्टैंड ऐसे ही थी. And okay, मुझे लगा ही था ये उल्टा है. Okay, this is like this, and यहाँ से हाइट बढ़ेगी, I guess. Yeah. Let me see how long they are. Okay. Okay. So these are very long enough for me. So my height is 5'3", and ये मुझे इधर तक आ रही है. And I think it's enough, but मुझे इतनी लाइट नहीं लगती है, मुझे I think इधर तक ही लगता है. So if someone is tall enough from me, they can definitely use this. अभी मैं इसकी हाइट छोटी कर रही हूँ because that is not needed to me. And then let's put one light. Okay, तो this is a screw, और इसके ऊपर भी एक screw है जहाँ पे मुझे इसको गोल-गोल करना है. Till the time I assemble this, it's a very good sunset going on outside my room. Do you want to see it? So this is what is happening outside, and I definitely have a very good view. Now let's come back here. Let me assemble this. Wow. I just hope I'm doing it in a right way. ऐसे लग रहा है लाइट के साथ मैं रिंगा रिंगा रोजेस खेल रही हूँ. Okay. Oh, there was a button here. I didn't have to do that. Lol. Okay, that shows how excited I am for this light. Let's forget that happened. And am I gonna cut that part from the video? No, I'm not going to, because I want to show you how I am in real life. And इसको open करेंगे. अरे यार, ये tight होने में मौत लगने वाली है. Okay. I just have to look for an adapter. Let me get it. So I did not got an adapter, but ये मुझे मिला है converter और इसको भी USB port है. So I will be connecting that to this, and then this to the switch. Oh, I just disconnected that one. Okay, so it's on and there is a button over here. I hope you can see it. And I don't know why it's not working. Oh, did it just blink? Sorry, this got disconnected. I want you guys to ignore the mess in my room, but this is how it has on, and this is how bright it is. And यहाँ पे उसका button है, and it's working. So this is how I can increase the light. This is how I can decrease the light. Oh. And this is how I can turn it off, and this is how I can turn it on. It's working. And now I have joined both the lights over here, and मैंने मेरे room के lights बंद किए, but obviously I'm still standing in front of the window, तो थोड़ा बाहर से light आ रहा है. And this is how the lights are working. You can see the light is so good. And अभी पूरा जब अंधेरा होगा then it will start working properly, but वो बहुत अच्छे से चल रही है, and you can see the real face also, and I'm happy with this product. And it's not just this, I have one more parcel, and I really don't remember ये वाले में क्या है. I think something related to beauty. Okay, so I have bought a acrylic nail stick-on and a lingerie that I didn't want to show you all. Okay, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I hope ये सब मुझे inspiration दे and I start posting more new content for you all. Keep watching. Bye bye.